Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? I am Mr. Alagbe Bashir. So last time we met, we discussed about the union, intersection, and complement of sets. So today, inshallah, we want to look at Venn diagrams and problem solving. Venn diagrams and problem solving. That is, we want to look at how to use Venn diagrams in order to solve some problems. Inshallah, I'll give you about 5 examples. The first example that I want to give you is, or that we want to discuss is, draw a Venn diagram to show the set. That is, the universal set is letters of the alphabets from A to K. Letters of the alphabet from A to K. Then set B, alphabets A, C, D, F, and H. Set Q contains members A, E, H, D, and K, where set R has B, C, D, E as its elements or members. Now, how can we use Venn diagram to show this? The first thing is to draw the rectangle. You are going to draw the rectangle. After drawing the rectangle, you draw 3 circles. After drawing the 3 circles, these circles will have intersection. That is something that they are going to have something in common. When you look at the 3 sets, that is set P, Q, and R, you will see that the elements they have in common is what? Is D. You can find D in set P, and in set Q, and in set D. So what they are going to have in common is what? Is D. So D will be at the center. If you look at set P and Q, what do they have in common? They have A and H. A and H. Is that clear? But H is not here. You help me to put the H there. Is that clear? So what set P and Q will have in common is A and H. Likewise, set P and R. Set P and R. Aside D, what they are going to have in common is C and what? And H is what? Is C and what? And H. Is that clear? So that is how you are going to represent it. But if you look at this alphabet F, K, and B, are we together? F, K, and what? And B. Is that clear? It means that those alphabets are not common to the 3. So that is why they are inside the circle but not inside the intersection. Is that clear? Are we together? So that is that about that. Are we together? Now, if that one is known, now let us move to the second example. If a universal set is positive integers less than 13, positive integers less than 13, not B is less than 13. If set A is 1, 2, 6, and 11, and set B is 4, 6, 8, and 10, and set C is 3, 6, 9, and 12, determine A union C, B, A intersection B, C, A complement intersection B complement, D, C complement, C complement. Then E is A union B complement, A union B complement. Now let us look at the solution one after the other. Look at the union. Look at the universal set, that is positive integers less than 13. So we are going to start from 1 to 12. Is that clear? Because 12 is less than 13. That is what we are given. Are we together? And that set A is 1, 2, 6, and 11, and so on, like that. Are we together? Now, you agree after drawing the rectangle and you have drawn the three circles, that is set A, that represents set A, B, and C. Are we together? What we are going to do is that we are going to look whether the three sets have something in common, that is intersection, what they have in common. That is what is common to the three sets. If you look critically at the three sets, you can see that the element that is common to the three sets is 6. So you put 6 at the center. So aside that, A and B doesn't have any intersection. They don't have anything in common. A and C doesn't have any in common. Is that clear? Likewise, B and C, they doesn't have anything in common. So all the elements aside this will be written inside the circle, but will not be written inside the intersection of either the two or the three of them. Are we together? Are we together? Look at A intersection B. Look at A intersection B. Look at A intersection B. A intersection B, it has 6 as the common element. So we have 1, 2, 11. Is that clear? Then 4, 8, 9. Is that clear? And so on. Is that clear? This one will not be written inside the intersection, but will be written outside. Are we together? The same thing applicable to set C. Now the first thing that we are going to look at is A union C. This A union C is what is inside A and B. What is inside A and B? What is inside A and B? A or B is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 11, and 12. Are we together? Are we together? These are the sets that is in A union C. A union C. Are we together? That is, we have 1, 3, is that clear? 6, 9, 11, and what? And 12. That is A union what? Union C. Now the second one is A intersection B. A intersection B. That is A intersection B. What do they have in common? Is only 6. A intersection B. What they have in common is what? Is 6. So you come here and write 6 as what they have in the what? In the intersection. Are we together? Now, the third one, that is C, is A complement and B complement. A complement intersection B complement. Let us note that the universal set is a set of positive integers less than 13. That is from 1 to 12. Are we together? Then A is 1, 2, 6, and 11. Then A complement will be what is inside the universal set, but it is not in A. What is in universal set but not in set A? What is in the universal set are 1, 2, 6, and 11. What is not there is what? 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. This is A complement. Is that clear? This is A complement. This is A complement. Are we together? What is in the universal set but is not in set A is A complement. Then B complement. What is in B is 4, 6, 8, and 10. Then B complement is what is in the universal set but not in A. They are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 12. So this one is what we call B complement. Now we want to look at A complement intersection B complement. Let us look at A complement intersection B complement. That is what they have in what? What they have in common. What do they have in common? We have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 9, then we have what? We have 12. We have 12. Is that clear? That is A complement intersection B complement. Then C complement. C complement. C complement. C complement is what is in C. What is in the universal set but not in C. What is in set C is 3, 6, 9, 12. Are we together? But C complement is what is inside the universal set but not in C. So you will agree with me that C complement in this case will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. Are we together? So the last one is A union B complement. A union B complement. Before you solve A union B complement, you look at A union B. A union B. What is A union B? A union B. Is that clear? A union B. When you look at A union B here, you will see that A union B is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 11. That is what is in A, set A, and in set B. Is that clear? But mind you, don't repeat any element. Any element should not be repeated twice. Is that clear? You write it once. So if A union B is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 11, then A union B complement will be what is inside the universal set. What is inside the universal set, but not in what? In A union what? A union B. Is that clear? So, and that one is 3, 5, 7, 9, and 12. Is that clear? So they are very simple. They are very simple. Are we together? So look at the examples very well. Go through the example, you will understand it better. Are we together? So the assignment I'm going to give you is go to mathematics. Go to mathematics. Go to mathematics SS1. Look at exercise, not experiments. Look at exercise D2. Is that clear? That is page 52. Look at exercise D2 number 3 and 5. Solve number 3 and 5. Is that clear? Inshallah, that is where we are going to stop for today. So inshallah, till next time we are going to meet. Have a nice day.